So yesterday I went out to the thrift store looking for some decent options, and I found lots available, and I chose these two. So I've got this little metal bowl here with the lid, and I've got this ceramic bowl here, and I've got my tarts already ready to go in it. But right here, the thing that I like about these ones is that they have a good edge to them, and there's a lid with an easy to hold handle. So to start with, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill maybe about an inch thick of sand. We're using the sand on the bottom as an insulator so that it doesn't get too hot through the bottom and become a problem for you. So I've just got some playground sand here. I picked it up at my local, where did I get it? I think I got it at Canadian Tire. So I've got a little bit of sand in the bottom. Well, maybe I'll put a little bit more into this one. Here we go. So you can see I've got the sand in here. Just like that. We've got a plane going overhead. So now what I'm going to do is I've got these clay tiles. I got these clay tiles from the Habitat store, and I'm just going to set it down right into the center, just like that. And so you can see here on the metal one how I've got it. So just like that. So now what I'm gonna do is make it look pretty. So I've got these glass beads and rocks and stuff, and I'm just gonna sprinkle them around the edge. Can you see that? So I'm just making it just a little bit decorative. And I'm gonna do the same thing again here in the metal container. So just like that. Oh, it looks so nice. There we go. Okay, so now I've got some bigger rocks here, and I'm going to use these as props for the coffee burner. The reason why you want to have a larger rock to prop your coffee burner against it is because it burns better when there's air underneath. So just like that. And this larger size container I'm going to use for my larger coffee burner here. So, got a rock, actually I'm gonna do it just like that. And there you go. See? That's a coffee burner. So now is the fun part. We get to set it on fire. Okay,